Hello everyone, welcome back to Something Talk 1. Nowadays everyone is talking about AI agents, LangChain, LangGraph and MCP. But have you ever wondered how does an AI agent actually think? When you ask what time is it, how does the AI know you should call a time tool? Today we will understand one of the most important concepts behind these modern AI agents. React, reason plus act. Let's get started. Let's start with a normal language model. A normal LLM predicts text. It doesn't actually know the current time. It doesn't search Google. It doesn't execute Python code. It simply predicts the next word. Okay. For example, suppose I ask, what time is it? Can the LLM know the exact current time? Definitely no. Suppose I ask, multiply 125 into 845, some number multiplication. Can it always calculate correctly? Maybe, maybe not. Suppose I ask, create a file. Again, LLM alone cannot do this. It needs tool. That is where React or REACT comes in. React comes in. React means reason and act. Instead of immediately answering, the AI first thinks and then decides whether a tool is required or not. Then executes the tool, then observes the result. Finally, it generates the answer. Let's see a real example. User asks, what time is it? The agent thinks, I don't know the current time. I need the time tool. And then tool executes. Returns the current time. Let's take it's 10:45 p.m. Now the agent says the current time is 10:45 p.m. Please notice the LLM never knew the time. The tool knew it. Let's take another example. Multiply 125 by 845. Again, the agent thinks I should use calculator. The calculator returns the absolute answer like 105625. Agent responds naturally. Again, reason, action, observation, and then final response. Okay, let's understand where LangGraph comes in, or LangChain or LangGraph that frameworks. Now you might ask, do I have to write all this logic? Fortunately, no. The frameworks like LangGraph or LangChain implement this React loop internally. Instead of writing hundreds of lines, you simply create an agent. The framework handles reasoning, tool calling, observation, and response generation. Okay, let's see the architecture, complete architecture. This is how the modern AI agents works. Whether you use LangChain or LangGraph or MCP, the foundation is exactly this. The user use the call or prompt or whatever it is like a query or whatever the action it is, and LLM get into the input, and the agents think of the reasons, and it evaluate the prompts, and then it was storage, it have a memory, and tools execute the action, and returns the final answer. So this is the exit architecture diagram. If professionally and professionally seeing, the user give the query or prompt or whatever it is, LLM, and then they do create the reasons for it, and again storing in the memory, and the tools execute the action and the final response. If you like to build a agents from scratch, I could conduct a complete hands-on agentic AI workshop. In the workshop, we build everything step by step, starting from Python, prompt engineering, memory, tool calling, long chain, long graph, MCP, and finally, a production AI agent. Links are available in the description. Please register in the links so that we will contact you and let you know the timings and all.